Rocket Lab's strategic evolution, 15 key developments that shaped its path from startup to space industry leader. Rocket Lab, founded in 2006 by Peter Beck in New Zealand, has transformed from a small startup into a major player in the commercial space industry. This report highlights the significant milestones and strategic innovations that have defined Rocket Lab's journey, showcasing its evolution into a leader in the satellite launch market. Timeline of key developments. 1. 2006, Foundation of Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab was established by Peter Beck to provide fast, low-cost satellite launch solutions. The vision was to create lightweight rockets capable of frequent launches to meet the growing demand for small satellite deployments. 2. 2009, First launch attempt. The company conducted its first launch attempt with the Adia-1 rocket. While the launch was not completely successful, it provided valuable lessons and marked the beginning of Rocket Lab's journey in the aerospace industry. 3. 2017, Successful launch of Electron rocket. In May 2017, Rocket Lab launched its Electron rocket for the first time. This marked a significant milestone, establishing the company's capabilities in the small satellite launch market. The Electron rocket was designed for rapid launch cycles and cost-effectiveness. 4. 2018, commercial operations begin. Following the successful Electron launch, Rocket Lab commenced commercial operations, providing comprehensive launch services to a diverse range of clients, including government agencies and commercial satellite operators. 5. 2020, deployment of 100th satellite. By August 2020, Rocket Lab successfully deployed its 100th satellite into orbit, demonstrating its operational reliability. This achievement underscored its commitment to providing consistent and frequent launch services. 6. 2020, First reusable rocket launch. In November 2020, Rocket Lab conducted its first launch of a reusable rocket, emphasizing its commitment to sustainability and innovation in reducing costs associated with space launches. 7. 2021 to 2023, expansion of capabilities and partnerships. Over these years, Rocket Lab expanded its launch capabilities and formed strategic partnerships, enhancing its competitive position in the market. Collaborations with organizations such as NASA and the U.S. military facilitated access to new markets. 8. 2024, revenue growth and Neutron rocket development. Rocket Lab reported significant revenue growth with plans to launch its Neutron rocket targeting larger payloads. The Neutron rocket is expected to open up lucrative contracts and expand its operational capacity. Common key points. Market leadership with Electron rocket. The Electron rocket has achieved a remarkable 100% mission success rate as of 2024, making Rocket Lab a dominant player in the small satellite launch market. Its focus on rapid launch cycles and high reliability has attracted numerous commercial and government contracts. Development of Neutron rocket. The company is actively developing the Neutron rocket, which aims to enhance its capabilities in medium-lift launches, allowing it to serve a broader range of customer needs and increasing its potential revenue streams. Diversification through Space Systems Division. Rocket Lab has diversified its revenue streams with its Space Systems Division, which includes spacecraft manufacturing and software solutions. This strategic move positions the company as a comprehensive space solutions provider, capturing more value within the aerospace sector. Comparative analysis of sources. Source 1 emphasizes Rocket Lab's historical milestones and operational challenges such as competition and regulatory hurdles, providing a detailed narrative of its evolution. Source 2 focuses on Rocket Lab's financial growth and strategic initiatives, particularly regarding the Neutron program and its Space Systems Division, highlighting the company's market position and future prospects. Source 3 offers a broader academic perspective, analyzing Rocket Lab's market strategies within theoretical frameworks, though it does not emphasize specific milestones or financial metrics. Conclusion. Rocket Lab's strategic evolution reflects a strong commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction, and sustainability in the space industry. The successful launch of the Electron rocket and the anticipated introduction of the Neutron program suggest a promising future for the company. By diversifying its offerings and maintaining operational excellence, Rocket Lab is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demands of the commercial space industry and solidify its status as a leader in space exploration. References: 1. Rocket Lab Brief Historites / canvasbusinessmodel.com/blog/brief history /Rocket Lab Brief History, Cersulted equals AFM but when in QWD7 IUJ NTM3 LY5 LQW Bjok 9 YDDKP CS5 SUSULUN3C. 2. Entrepreneur on Rocket Lab's growth strategies / www.entrepreneur.com/finance Rocket Lab's growth strategy small rockets massive /486595. 3. Sage Journals on Rocket Lab strategies / journals.sagepub.com/doi/10.1177/14657503231165147 ICID equals int.sjabstract.citing articles. 11. This report encapsulates Rocket Lab's remarkable journey, highlighting its strategic milestones and the innovative approaches that have positioned it as a leader in the burgeoning space industry. Rocket Lab's strategic evolution illustrates several counterintuitive insights about the dynamics of the commercial space industry and the company itself. Here are the key counterintuitive points identified from the provided content. 1. From startup to industry leader. While many startups in the aerospace sector struggle to gain traction, Rocket Lab's rapid ascent to a leading position in the commercial space industry is somewhat anomalous. Instead of being hindered by competition and regulatory hurdles, the company has leveraged these challenges as opportunities for growth and differentiation. 2. Success in small payloads. The notion that larger rockets are more advantageous for capturing market share is countered by Rocket Lab's success with its Electron rocket, which focuses specifically on small satellite launches. This has allowed them to carve out a niche in a crowded market, demonstrating that specialization can lead to dominance. 3. High launch frequency versus traditional models. Conventional wisdom in the aerospace industry often suggests that success comes from infrequent high-stakes launches. However, Rocket Lab has achieved a remarkable 100% mission success rate by focusing on rapid turnaround times and frequent launches, showing that operational excellence in smaller increments can be more profitable and appealing to clients. 4. Reusable technology as a differentiator. Many in the industry view reusable rockets as a cost-saving measure, primarily for larger payloads. Rocket Lab's focus on developing reusable technology for its smaller Electron rocket exemplifies that even within the small satellite market, reusability can enhance competitiveness and sustainability, contrary to the assumption that it's only valuable for larger vehicles. 5. Diverse revenue streams. The expectation that aerospace companies should primarily focus on launch services is challenged by Rocket Lab's successful diversification into spacecraft manufacturing and software solutions. This strategy not only mitigates risks associated with fluctuations in launch demand but also allows them to tap into higher margin opportunities, emphasizing that expanding the business model can lead to greater financial stability. 6. Investor attraction. Despite low profitability, in traditional sectors, investors typically shy away from companies that are not yet profitable. However, Rocket Lab's consistent revenue growth and strategic investments in innovation have attracted significant investor interest, suggesting that in the fast-evolving space industry, future potential can outweigh current financial metrics. 7. Global impact through small satellites. The assumption that only large-scale players can drive significant advancements in space exploration is contradicted by Rocket Lab's contributions. By facilitating affordable access to space for small satellite operators, Rocket Lab is enabling a wide range of applications from Earth observation to global internet coverage, thus demonstrating that small players can have a profound global impact. 8. Environmental sustainability as a selling point. In an industry often criticized for its environmental impact, Rocket Lab's commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly practices serves as a unique selling point. This counters the idea that aerospace companies must prioritize immediate operational efficiency over long-term environmental considerations. 9. Strategic partnerships over competition. The expectation that competitive markets lead to adversarial relationships is challenged by Rocket Lab's strategy of forming partnerships with organizations like NASA and the U.S. military. These collaborations have enhanced their capabilities and broadened their market reach, illustrating that cooperation can be more beneficial than competition in certain contexts. 10. Emergence of the medium lift market. There's a prevailing belief that the small and large satellite launch markets are distinctly separate. Rocket Lab's development of the Neutron rocket, designed to bridge these gaps and target the medium lift market, suggests a more integrated approach to satellite deployment that challenges traditional categorizations. These counterintuitive insights highlight the dynamic nature of the commercial space industry and Rocket Lab's innovative approach, which not only capitalizes on existing opportunities but also reshapes perceptions of what is possible within the sector. Rocket Lab's journey from a startup to a prominent player in the space industry is marked by a series of strategic decisions and developments that could easily be overlooked in most analyses. Below are some of the crucial yet often understated aspects of Rocket Lab's evolution, elaborating on why they are significant. 1. Foundational vision and culture. Peter Beck founded Rocket Lab with a vision that emphasized not just technological innovation but also a deep understanding of market needs. This foundational vision drove a culture of agility and adaptability, which remains crucial in the fast-paced aerospace sector. Many people may overlook the importance of such a culture, but it is the bedrock upon which all successful startups are built. The ability to pivot based on customer feedback and market trends has allowed Rocket Lab to stay relevant and competitive. 2. Early launch challenges. The initial failure of the Adia-1 rocket launch in 2009 is often glossed over in the narrative of success. While this setback was a significant hurdle, it provided Rocket Lab with invaluable lessons in engineering and operational execution. The company's willingness to learn from failure rather than be deterred by it highlights a critical aspect of innovation: resilience. Understanding the importance of failure in driving future success is often underestimated in the tech and aerospace industries. 3. Commitment to small satellites. While many reports focus on Rocket Lab's advancements in larger rockets like Neutron, the company's early commitment to servicing the small satellite market cannot be overstated. This strategic focus enabled Rocket Lab to carve out a niche that was largely underserved at the time. By recognizing the growing demand for small satellite launches, Rocket Lab positioned itself as a pioneer in this segment, which has proven to be highly lucrative. Overlooking this aspect diminishes the understanding of Rocket Lab's strategic foresight. 4. Launch frequency and reliability. Rocket Lab's achievement of a 100% mission success rate by 2024 is frequently highlighted, yet the operational excellence that allowed for this consistency is often overlooked. The company's ability to perform rapid launches with minimal turnaround time is a significant competitive advantage that not only attracts customers but also builds trust in its reliability. The logistics and operational strategies behind maintaining such a high cadence of launches are complex and require continuous improvement, a detail that deserves more attention. 5. Technological innovations. The development of the Electron rocket itself is often celebrated, but the incremental innovations that have taken place along the way are less frequently discussed. For example, Rocket Lab's focus on miniaturization of components and the introduction of advanced materials have improved performance and cost-effectiveness. These innovations are not merely enhancements, they redefine how rockets are designed and built. Acknowledging the significance of these technological advancements is crucial for understanding Rocket Lab's long-term strategy. 6. Sustainability initiatives. Rocket Lab's commitment to sustainability, especially through the development of reusable rocket technology, is sometimes overshadowed by the company's focus on profitability and growth. The environmental impact of space launches is a growing concern. And Rocket Lab's proactive approach to mitigating this impact positions it as a responsible player in the industry. This commitment resonates well with increasingly environmentally conscious customers and investors, making it a significant strategic advantage. 7. Diversified revenue streams through space systems. The Space Systems division is a critical aspect of Rocket Lab's business model that is often underexplored. By diversifying into spacecraft manufacturing and software solutions, Rocket Lab reduces its dependency on launch services alone. This strategic pivot not only mitigates risks but also opens new avenues for revenue generation, which is vital for long-term sustainability. The synergy between launch services and space systems can drive significant growth, making it a noteworthy point in Rocket Lab's evolution. 8. Strategic partnerships. While Rocket Lab's partnerships with NASA and various commercial entities are frequently mentioned, the strategic implications of these relationships are often overlooked. These collaborations not only enhance credibility but also provide access to resources, technology, and markets that might otherwise be unattainable. Understanding how these partnerships amplify Rocket Lab's competitive edge provides deeper insights into its strategic positioning in the industry. 9. Enhanced financial metrics. The financial growth trajectory from 2023 to 2024, with quarterly revenue escalating from $50 to $60 million to over $100 million, is a critical indicator of demand for Rocket Lab's services. However, the underlying factors driving this growth, such as operational efficiency, market penetration strategies, and customer satisfaction, are often not fully explored. Highlighting these factors can provide a more nuanced understanding of Rocket Lab's financial health and market strategy. 10. Global expansion strategy. Rocket Lab's plans for global expansion frequently receive less attention than they deserve. Establishing launch sites in multiple countries not only enhances operational flexibility but also taps into emerging markets that are increasingly investing in space technology. Understanding the geographic and market dynamics at play in this expansion is crucial for grasping the full picture of Rocket Lab's growth strategy. Conclusion. The evolution of Rocket Lab from a startup to a leader in the space industry is underscored by various strategic developments that are often overlooked. Acknowledging the importance of foundational vision, resilience in the face of challenges, operational excellence, technological innovation, sustainability, diversified revenue streams, strategic partnerships, and a robust financial strategy is essential to fully appreciate Rocket Lab's journey. These elements collectively shape not only the company's current standing but also its future prospects in the commercial space industry. Recognizing these subtleties can provide investors, analysts, and industry observers with a more comprehensive understanding of Rocket Lab's strategic evolution and the factors that will influence its trajectory moving forward. 1. Innovative launch solutions and market positioning. Rocket Lab's strategic evolution is significantly marked by its development of the Electron rocket, which has achieved a remarkable 100% mission success rate as of 2024. This operational excellence has allowed Rocket Lab to establish itself as a dominant player in the small satellite launch market, attracting contracts from both commercial and government clients. The company's focus on rapid launch cycles and reliability has positioned it as a preferred choice for satellite operators seeking cost-effective and timely solutions. Furthermore, Rocket Lab's commitment to innovation is underscored by its ongoing projects such as the Neutron rocket, which aims to expand its capabilities into medium-lift launches, thereby targeting a broader customer segment and potentially lucrative contracts. 2. Financial growth and revenue diversification. Rocket Lab's financial trajectory showcases significant revenue growth, with projections indicating a continued upward trend. The company has successfully diversified its revenue streams through its Space Systems division, which includes spacecraft manufacturing and software solutions. This diversification mitigates risks associated with relying solely on launch services, enabling Rocket Lab to capture a greater share of the value chain and generate recurring revenue. The anticipated success of the Neutron program promises to unlock new revenue opportunities, further enhancing Rocket Lab's financial health and long-term investment appeal. 3. Strategic partnerships and global expansion. Rocket Lab's strategic partnerships and collaborations have played a crucial role in its growth and market positioning. By aligning with various organizations including NASA and commercial companies, Rocket Lab has enhanced its technological capabilities and expanded its reach into new markets. The establishment of launch sites in both New Zealand and the United States demonstrates the company's commitment to providing flexible and accessible launch options. This global expansion not only broadens Rocket Lab's customer base but also solidifies its status as a comprehensive space solutions provider, capable of meeting the diverse needs of the rapidly evolving space industry. 4. Sustainability and environmental commitment. Rocket Lab's focus on sustainability is a key aspect of its strategic evolution as the company actively works to minimize its environmental impact through innovative practices in rocket technology and operations. The successful launch of its reusable rocket system aligns with industry trends towards reusability aimed at reducing launch costs and promoting eco-friendly practices in space exploration. This commitment not only enhances Rocket Lab's market appeal but also sets a standard for environmental responsibility within the aerospace sector, appealing to a growing base of environmentally conscious clients and stakeholders. These 4 points represent a comprehensive analysis of Rocket Lab's strategic evolution, emphasizing innovation, financial growth, strategic partnerships, and sustainability as pivotal elements in its journey from a startup to a leader in the commercial space industry. 1. SpaceX's evolution 2002-present. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX has transformed from a small startup into a dominant player in the aerospace industry. Key developments include the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit, Falcon 1 2008, the first private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station, Dragon 2012, and the successful first flight of the reusable Falcon 9 rocket 2015. SpaceX's strategic focus on reusability, along with its ambitious goals such as Mars colonization, has significantly shaped its trajectory. 2. Blue Origin's journey 2000-present. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000, Blue Origin has pursued the goal of enabling millions of people to live and work in space. The company has made significant strides with its New Shepard suborbital vehicle, achieving multiple successful test flights and crewed missions. Blue Origin's development of the New Glenn orbital rocket and its vision for a future with space tourism and lunar landers such as Blue Moon reflect its strategic evolution in the competitive space industry. 3. Virgin Galactic's development 2004-present. Established by Richard Branson in 2004, Virgin Galactic aims to provide suborbital spaceflights to space tourists. The company achieved significant milestones, including the first successful crewed flight of its Spaceship Two vehicle in 2018 and a series of test flights leading to commercial operations. Virgin Galactic's focus on space tourism represents a unique niche within the broader space industry, demonstrating an evolution from a startup to a recognized player in the emerging space tourism market. Future outlook, predictions for Rocket Lab's evolution. As Rocket Lab continues to solidify its position as a leader in the commercial space industry, several key predictions can be made about its future trajectory based on its current developments and market trends. 1. Increased launch frequency and capacity. With the successful operation of its Electron rocket, Rocket Lab is likely to continue increasing launch frequency. Its commitment to rapid turnaround times will cater to the growing demand for small satellite launches. The anticipated entry of the Neutron rocket will further enhance capacity, allowing the company to take on larger payloads and more diverse missions, including larger satellite constellations. 2. Expansion of the Neutron program. The Neutron rocket, designed for medium lift capabilities, is expected to be a game-changer for Rocket Lab. Predictions suggest that its successful debut will unlock significant new revenue streams and attract high-profile contracts from global clients. This will position Rocket Lab to compete more effectively with larger players in the space industry, expanding its market share significantly. 3. Diversification of revenue streams. Rocket Lab's strategic focus on its space systems division is likely to lead to increased profitability. As the company continues to develop and market its Photon spacecraft and other components, it will capture a larger share of the value chain in the space economy. This diversification will not only mitigate risks associated with launch services but also stabilize revenue through recurring income from spacecraft operations and support services. For international expansion, Rocket Lab has already established a presence in the United States and New Zealand, and future efforts may include launching operations in other international markets. This global expansion is predicted to increase the company's client base and revenue potential, particularly in regions with burgeoning space industries such as Europe and Asia. 5. Sustainability initiatives. As environmental concerns continue to rise globally, Rocket Lab is expected to enhance its focus on sustainability. This may involve further development of reusable rocket technologies and eco-friendly launch practices. By adopting sustainable practices, Rocket Lab could not only reduce its carbon footprint but also appeal to environmentally conscious clients and investors. 6. Technological advancements. Rocket Lab's ongoing investment in research and development is likely to result in continuous innovation in rocket technology. The company may introduce new features that enhance efficiency, safety, and payload capacity, keeping it at the forefront of the space launch market. Future advancements could also lead to the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning in launch operations, optimizing performance and reducing costs. 7. Collaborations and partnerships. The trend of forming strategic partnerships is expected to persist as Rocket Lab seeks to leverage expertise and resources. Collaborations with government entities, private companies, and international space agencies will likely enhance its technological capabilities and expand its service offerings. Such partnerships could accelerate growth and enhance its competitive edge in the space economy. 8. Market adaptation and resilience. Given the volatile nature of the space industry, Rocket Lab will need to remain adaptable to market changes. Economic fluctuations, regulatory shifts, and competitive pressures will require the company to be resilient and agile. Its ability to pivot and adjust strategies will be crucial for sustained success in the evolving landscape of commercial space. 9. Enhanced customer engagement. Rocket Lab's commitment to customer satisfaction will likely become increasingly important as it scales operations. The company may invest in advanced customer service technologies and processes to ensure effective communication and support for clients throughout their missions, enhancing loyalty and reputation. 10. Increased investor confidence. As Rocket Lab continues to demonstrate robust growth, successful launches, and innovative advancements, investor confidence is expected to rise. This could lead to increased capital inflow, enabling further investments in technology infrastructure and talent acquisition, propelling the company toward its ambitious goals. In conclusion, Rocket Lab is poised for significant growth and evolution in the coming years. By capitalizing on its current strengths, such as its innovative technology, strong market presence, and commitment to sustainability, Rocket Lab is likely to remain a key player in the increasingly competitive space industry. The anticipated developments in its Neutron program, diversification strategies, and global expansion efforts will further cement its role as a leader in the next era of space exploration.